Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's USDC video update for Wednesday 17th of August. And right now what we're looking for is gonna be this pattern right here, which I do believe that you're putting in a bear flag right now for USDC. And if you actually drop from this bear flag, you're looking for the next technical target to be from there to there, and we're actually going to be coming down to 0.02513, and that's going to be pretty much a very quick update right now. So in the 4-hour time frame, you do have another pattern right now, and it's just in a continuous trend to the downside. Now I do believe that if you're actually going to fall any more down, then you might be looking for this next technical target here, which is actually going to be this line, because you never back tested 0.01553 something, right? So if you ever actually fall below, because right now what you're doing is you're losing the golden ratio, and that's not a good sign. I told you, whenever you're going to lose the golden ratio, then a bigger drop can actually come to in the near future. So you can already see that you are below the golden ratio, which is the 0.618 right here, and the biggest support moving forward is going to be the 0.382, and that could be another buying opportunity for USDC, because this is where you actually broke it out. You went to the upside, got overextended, and maybe come down, and you're going to find that level because of this level here, that touch right there, and this one being the 0.382 on the Fibbs retracements as well. That's pretty much it. That's going to be a very big level of support moving forward if we're looking for the drops to the downside. And once the drop is done, we're going to talk about what happens in the future, hopefully. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on the USDC. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.